Want to get more visibility and engagement from your Facebook business page? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple optimizations you can set up right now to make your Facebook business page look professional, attract more clicks, and convert visitors into followers or customers. Let's jump right in. First, let's make sure your profile picture, cover photo, and username are all set up correctly. This is the first thing people see, so it has to look sharp. The first thing we'll do is click on your profile picture on the top right-hand side and switch into your page. In my case, I'll switch into Yes to Tech. To dive into those page settings, click on your page on the top left-hand side from the left-hand side panel. Now from here, hover over your profile picture, click the camera icon, and either upload a photo, add a frame, include one of the suggested photos, uploads, profile pictures, or cover photos to add as your profile picture. We'll do the same process for the cover photo. Hover over the cover photo, click the camera icon to edit the cover photo, click on Upload Photo, select a photo from your documents, and then save that as your cover photo. To ensure that your Facebook business page has an optimized username, click on Settings from the left-hand side panel, and then under the Audience and Visibility section, click on Page Setup. Next, click on Name, and make sure that the username is the one you wish. For my page that is Yes to Tech, the username is also set as Yes to Tech. If you wish to change that from your Facebook business page in order to make it optimized, click on Edit on the right, and make sure that your public username is the one you wish, and then click on Save Changes. Now your page has a professional logo, a clean cover image, and a simple username that's easy to find and share. Next, let's optimize the About section and services. This is where people decide if they can trust you and how to reach you. From this panel up top over here, click on About. Make sure that you click Edit in each one of these sections, such as add your address, add your service area, add phone, add a WhatsApp number, etc., to make people find you and understand your services and what you offer. You can do the same for the Privacy and Legal Info section, Work and Education section, Places Lived, Page Transparency, Family and Relationships, Details about you, and Life Events. Make sure that you type a short keyword-rich description for each of these, and then save. To add your services, in the same About section, make sure that you're in the Contact and Basic Info section, and then under Basic Info, click on Add Specialties and Services. From here, you can select the type of services that you offer, as well as a price range. Make sure to click on Save once you're done adding those. Perfect! Your contact info, description, and services are clear and complete, so visitors instantly know what you do and how to book or buy. Now let's add the most important part, your call to action button and page tabs. This is the action you want people to take. To optimize the action button of your Facebook business page, click on these 3 little dots, and then click on Edit Action Button. In my case, it's set up to sign up, and then it's linking to a specific website address. If you wish to edit that button, click on Change Button at the bottom, and then choose an option from the available ones. These include options to help people support you, to get people to contact you, as well as to link to your group or app. Select the action you wish them to take. In my case, I chose Sign Up, and then click on Next. Add the website link, click on Save, and you'll be good to go. Great! Now every visitor has one clear next step, whether it's booking, shopping, or messaging you. Fourth, let's set up messaging automations and connect to Instagram. This makes sure you never miss a lead and manage everything from one inbox. The first thing we'll need to do is click on Meta Business Suite from this left-hand side panel. Click on Inbox from the left, and then on Automations up top. From here, you can set up automations that manage your conversations and streamline your workflows, giving you more time to focus on your Facebook business. This includes comment to a message, identify unanswered messages, custom keywords, contact information, hours, location, etc. To create a new automation, just click on Create Automation up top, select the automation you wish, and then follow the steps in order to set it up. If we head over to our Meta Business Suite homepage, you can see that my Instagram profile is connected to my Facebook business page. To link your Instagram page to your Facebook business page, click on Settings on the bottom left, and then under Accounts, click on Instagram Accounts. Then all you have to do is click on Add on the right-hand side and follow the steps to add a new Instagram account to connect to your Facebook business page. Your Facebook business page now replies instantly even when you're offline if you set up an automation and your Instagram is connected for easier management. Finally, let's talk about content. Scheduling posts, pinning your best ones, and checking your insights keeps your Facebook business page active and growing. In your Meta Business Suite, click on Content from the left. From here, you're able to create a post by adding media, post details, scheduling options, collaborators, privacy settings, and more. To pin a post to your Facebook business page to make it stand out, find the post you want to pin, click on the three little dots on the top right-hand side, and then on Pin Post. To make sure you're creating the type of content that your audience loves, click on Insights on the left to check your reach and engagement. You can also click on Settings, on Page Setup, and on Page Access to add people to assign roles. Now you've got a Facebook posting system, your content stays visible, and you know what's working through Insights. These are the 5 quick steps to optimize your Facebook business page for maximum visibility and engagement. For even more Facebook tips and Facebook tricks, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.